My dear brothers and sisters, power can be felt and can be seen through the life of people here and there. May mga tao sa simbahan, sa gobyerno, sa pamilya, sa lipunan at kung saan man na may kanya-kanyang tinatawag nga po nating kapangyarihang ibinigay sa kanila. There are people with power but would mind the service. But some would have power but would mind personal prosperity. Mga taong may kapangyarihan po ang ating pong mga narinig sa araw na ito sa ating mga pagbasa. As they govern the early Christians, the apostles would have power over them. But as they were sharing their wealth to each other, they used their power so that everyone would have enough for their living. On the one hand, in our gospel, we've heard this famous conversation between Nicodemus and Jesus. At muli po tayong dinadala ni Jesus sa alaala ni Jesus na kung saan siya ay itinaas sa krus. A symbol rich with power, and yet that power would mind love and salvation for you and for me. My dear friends, we've been talking about power, and I would like to ask you this question: how do we use power? Are we powerful so that we can harm people? Or are we powerful so that we can love people all the more? The apostles and the Lord were so powerful in their responsibilities, but they remained firm to that call, which is to love and care people. Hindi ginawang daan ng mga alagad ang yumaman, ang sumikat, ang dumami ang kanilang ari-arian noong nasa kanila o inilalagay sa kanila yung mga naging benta o naging ari-arian ng mga taong ito. But power led them to love. Power led them to serve. Power led them to save people. And we hope that as we witness people in power, and on the one end, as we also live our own responsibilities, kapangyarihan po iyan, ipinagkatiwala yan sa atin. Hindi dahil makapangyarihan tayo, hindi na tayo magmamahal. Pero dahil may kapangyarihan, mas nagmamahal. No one was in need. Jesus was raised on the cross because love was their power. And this power is not again to harm people, but to bless people. Today, as a nation, my dear brothers and sisters, we celebrate Araw ng Kagitingan. At nagpapasalamat po tayo sa mga taong naging magiting para sa ating bayan. At nagpapasalamat pa din tayo hanggang ngayon sa madaming mga taong nagpapakita ng kanilang kagitingan sa bawat isa. Pero kaya naging magiting, naging mas mapagmahal sila. Lakas man ng loob ang puhunan para maging magiting, pero pag-ibig ang mas nagpakulay sa mga taong nabubuhay ng totoong magiting.